This is a quick audio test. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm gonna, whoops, I dropped it. Okay, so it's an audio test in 360. I'm far away. I'm my house clothing, very comfortable. I'm gonna go as far as maybe about 2 meters. I don't know how many feet that is. And now I'm going through the basketball area, indoor basketball. I'm in my play seat. Yeah, can you hear that? How about this? I'm gonna close and can you hear that? Yeah. Well, this is a test, audio test. Let's see if you can hear me or not from that far. And thanks for listening. So now I'm doing the audio test with my Powerbeats Pro. Let's see. Now I'm outside. I'm gonna put the camera. You can see this is running, and so this fish pond is running. You can probably hear it drip as I get closer. The car beats gets closer to this. You can hear it. But maybe if I get further away, I'm gonna put my sandal on all the way over here. Now I'm about 2 meters. Now about 3 meters. I don't know how long this Bluetooth thing can handle, but here I'm getting back closer and closer. And that's the audio test. Hopefully you can hear me with this audio test, with this Powerbeats here.